friends, in today's video, what I am going to tell you is that with the help of this method, you can 100% guarantee the passcode of any iPhone, any iPhones unavailable, any iPhone security lockout. Without a PC laptop and without an Apple ID password, you can unlock it completely free. So how can you do it? I will tell you. Keep watching the video carefully. Do not skip the video a little. If friends, you have any model of iPhone, whether it is iPhone 6, 7X, XR, XS, XS Max, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 7. Friend, if you have any iPhone model and any of your iPhones has a password set, or if any of your iPhones has become unavailable, or if any of your iPhones is stuck on security lockout and you are unable to unlock your iPhone. So friends, in today's video, the method I'm going to tell you about, with the help of that method, you can 100% guarantee unlock any iPhone's passcode, any iPhone's unavailable, any iPhone security lockout without a PC, laptop, or Apple ID password completely for free. Just watch the video carefully. Do not skip the video. So friends, what you need to do is click on the emergency on your phone, okay? And friends, after clicking on the emergency on your phone, the code I am going to tell you is a 100% working code. You just need to dial that code carefully and you must not miss it. Alright, so you need to dial star H 3 6 2 0 1 star H 9 9 0 6 1 H star. Friends, you need to dial this code. Alright, you need to dial star hash 36201 star hash 99061 hash star, and friends, after dialing this code, you need to click on it. Now friends, you have to dial one last code, and as soon as you dial that code, your iPhone will be unlocked. So keep watching the video carefully. Do not skip the video a bit. And friends, if you like this video, be sure to like it. And if you are visiting our channel for the first time, be sure to subscribe to the channel because we keep bringing good videos related to mobile unlocking. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. So what you have to do is dial star H 6 1 0 1 1 star 2 4 0 9 7 H star. You have to dial this last code, okay? Friends, take a good look at this code. You have to dial H 6 1 0 1 1 star 2 0 0 9 7 H star. Friends, after dialing this code, you have to click on it. No friends, what you have to do is just, friends, here the power key and volume, you have to hold both these buttons together, the power key and volume up. So friends, watch the video here very carefully. Do not skip the video a little here. Friends, you have to hold both these buttons together for 10 seconds here. Friends, here you have to hold both these buttons together for 10 seconds. So friends, you can see here that our phone is automatically resetting. Okay, you can see this. So friends, keep watching the video carefully. Friends, I will tell you what to do next. Keep watching the video carefully. So friends, our phone here has turned off. All upon here, put our phone as automatically restarted. Friends, when the phone resets, it takes a little time for the phone to turn on, so I will speed up the video. Keep watching the video carefully. So friends, अब नने सा सासुरा phone have turned on chi. Adma sappe laina, and the problem in our phone has been solved down. Okay, chodi, you can see it. There's a koi sound. If you like this video, please like it, share it as much as possible, subscribe to the channel, and definitely comment to let us know how you found our video ne.